Okay, we can use ChatGPT to proofread our writing, especially when English is not our first language. So we put the prompt something like, I want you to act as an English spelling corrector, editor, proofreader, and improver. I will provide you with a paragraph of text that is a part of a bigger article. I want you to replace my simplified A0 level words and sentences with more beautiful and elegant upper level English words and sentences. So we need to make sure that it doesn't summarize. So you need to put down something like, can you keep the length of the text the same? Otherwise, it will just shorten the text and provide a summary. So here I've taken some sample from some website where a German girl writes about life in Germany and has a lot of spelling mistakes. But as you can see on the output, we have a text where all spelling mistakes were corrected and also the syntax was improved. So now it looks like as it was written by someone who has English as their native language, and you can use it a lot. So this feature is highly recommended and very helpful for writing. So definitely use it to make sure your writing is of a highest quality possible.